So you have got your domain and hosting. Now you are wondering, how do I actually install WordPress? If you are completely new to WordPress, don't worry. In this video, I will show you the whole process step by step using Hostinger. We will start with the few things you need before installing WordPress. Then I will show you how to install it, create your administrator login, and finally get you into the WordPress dashboard. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how WordPress gets installed and how to access your new website. So let's get started. Before you install WordPress, let's quickly clear up two things. You will need a domain and web hosting. Your domain is your website's address, like example.com, flipkart.com, and hosting is the service that stores your website's data and files and makes your website available online. So in simple terms, the domain is your website's address and hosting is where your website lives. Once these are ready, we can install WordPress. Now let's move into Hostinger and install WordPress. I am using Hostinger for this tutorial, so your screen may look slightly different if you are using another hosting company, but the basic idea is the same. From your Hostinger website dashboard, look for the option to add a website and choose WordPress. Next, Hostinger asks us for a few basic details for our WordPress installation. Choose your preferred language, enter an administrator email address, and create a strong password. These are the credentials you will use to access your WordPress dashboard, so keep them somewhere safe. For this tutorial, we are going to build the website from scratch rather than using the AI website builder. Now Hostinger takes care of the WordPress installation for us. This may take a few moments, so just let the process finish. And there we have it. WordPress is installed and we are now inside the WordPress dashboard. And that's it. WordPress is now installed and ready for you to start building your website. If you are new to WordPress, this dashboard might look a little overwhelming at first. But don't worry. That's exactly what we will cover next. In the next video, I will walk you through the WordPress dashboard and explain what each important section does, so you will know exactly where to go. If you are finding this series helpful, consider subscribing so you don't miss the next lesson. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.